Let's talk about how you print from NetPoint. Printing in NetPoint can be a little tricky because NetPoint is actually what they call WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. And so it's exactly as it's laid out on the screen is how it will print. You have to make sure that your system is set at 100 and 100 for stretch and zoom factor. When you're working with the schedule on the screen, sometimes it's helpful to zoom out or stretch the schedule, but for printing purposes, it should be at 100 for each, and that way you'll see exactly what's going to print out. Sometimes you have too much information on the screen for one print, so we have this ability to do tiling. If you tile across or down, it just basically doubles the screen, either across or down, and you can that way get like a banner print on 8.5 by 11 if it's a bigger printout. So for printing, you do go to Print Setup. So in Print Setup, you determine which printer you're going to send to and the size and all that. Remember, it's important not to change the size at this point once the schedule is developed, because you can really mess up a schedule if you make the print size smaller at this point. So we're going to do it Adobe, Tabloid, and then we're going to go ahead and print. And say OK, and we should see this pop up momentarily. We'll say, go ahead and save the wind farm. Save the wind farm. And now it's printed, and it pops open. Now, a couple clues I can help you with here. Adobe is a great format for these because within Adobe, you can change the print size of the schedule, and it maintains its fidelity and clarity as a graphic. When you try to manipulate the print size through the printer driver for your laser printer, usually that is not nearly as effective as going first to an Adobe and then adjusting the print size. You can see that one lesson we can learn from printing is that it is a much higher resolution when you print out than the screen. And so you'll get a lot more negative space and clarity in your graphic when you use it as a printout.